American Express rewards, how to use. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use American Express rewards, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use American Express rewards, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Safari browser and type in redeem Amex point or reward, right? And then when you type that, you'll find this search link that says redeem membership reward points. So you can simply tap on that particular link over here, as you can see. Then once you have done that, you'll be able to come to the Amex page. Now you can simply go ahead and then you can tap on the login option here, and once you tap on the login option, you'll be able to log into your respective account. Now this way you should be able to redeem your Amex rewards. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.